Welcome to Conversations with Selena, the podcast where we discover inspiration, motivation, and information to help you live your best life. I'm your host, Selena, aka Sunshine, and each week we'll dive into conversations with guests who share their testimonies, insights, and advice. We'll explore topics that uplift, encourage, and empower you to be the best version of yourself you can be. So tune in and let's have some fun while we explore all that life has to offer. Keep it smiling, sunshine, and let's go. Hey, sunshine. Hey, sunshine. Welcome to another edition of Conversation with Selena. And we have something happening right now live in Picayune, Mississippi, and it is a community health fair. And I have Miss Elizabeth on the line. She is going to introduce herself and then show you what is going on right now in Picayune, Mississippi. So if you're joining live, go ahead and share this video. If it's the replay, hopefully you will still have time to go out and participate in the activities on today. But Miss Elizabeth, I'm going to pass it on over to you so you can do what you're doing.
Okay. Thank you, Selena. Thank you so much.
Yes,
Hi,
ma'am.
I'm Elizabeth Ozan. I am the Shea Coalition Manager over here in the Pearl River County. And we service 6 counties: Pearl River, Stone, Jackson, Harrison, Hancock, and George County. And we also, what we have going on right here now is a health fair. And I'm going to show you around to all the different vendors that we have here. We have Feeding the Gulf Coast. We have Mississippi Tobacco Free Coalition. Say hi, y'all on live TV. We have Teen Health Mississippi, Miss Triana Taylor. We have Health Help Mississippi. This is Miss Carrie Abernathy. We're going to bypass Thomas. We have Children's International Pediatrics, and this is Miss Sydney. She's with us all the time. Love her. We have South Mississippi Smiles. Say hello. Hello. All right. We also have the Mississippi Milk League and WIC, and they are a lactation community. They help make an impact. And we have the Most Point Visionary Circle. Say hi, guys. You're live. And also we have Latched in Love, Miss Evelyn Jarvis. Say hello. You are live. We have the Mississippi Department of Health, Community Health Workers. And we also have the Fetal Infant Mortality Review with Miss Cheryl Dahl. Where did she go? We also have Molina Healthcare here today. They're from Jackson, and Miss Barbara's away from her station right now. We have exercising going on with Mr. Tony Foster and Miss Devlin Duncan. And we also have Simrod, and they're here. And tell us a little bit about you guys.
Okay, I'm Patricia with the Breast and Cervical Cancer Early Detection and Prevention Program, and it helps a woman get an annual exam for free if she does not have any insurance or if her insurance does not cover.
Okay.
And I've come here just in summary of Samurai. We're at Network Community Health Centers. We do have a Picayune Family Health Center here in Picayune. Our main thing is just to serve the community, to provide primary health care to everybody, make it accessible and affordable. We do have a sliding scale, so based on the person's income is how much we take them in if they don't have insurance or Medicaid. And just different programs like the BCC, and there's so many other programs, that if they don't have insurance or Medicaid, we just have different programs for different things and exams they can get done.
All right. And this is what we got going on here at the Mary Richardson Community Center here in Picayune. I'm also here with Miss Venner Scott from, she's on her way in now. She's coming in, guys. And we have had a lot of people come in, but we need a few more people to come in. And we're going to be here till 3 o'clock today. So we're asking everyone to please grab a friend and come on down. And let me also show Shay. This is sharing health education and awareness. And we're one of the ones who are helping to put this on today with the Pearl River Community Center. And this is it. And we're so thankful to Miss Selena to having us on here and letting us speak today about what we have going on and how we have trying to help the community and all the resources that we have in our community that we're trying to also make sure that they also get information on it. And I also want to introduce Miss Devlin. Miss Devlin here. Devlin Dunklin is going to also do. Tell them what you do, Miss Devlin.
I'm gonna do a demo from I Endure Fitness and just teach everybody that fitness is for everybody. Like you can start somewhere. So that's not the demo I'm gonna do. Different like chair exercises and just making everybody aware that fitness is for everybody, any age, any age. So that's it.
All right. Thank you, Devlin. Do you have any questions for me, Selena?
All right, so we're all back on. Let me put. Okay.
I'm
All right.
sorry, y'all.
Oh no, you're good. You're good. So, how long are you all going to be out there today?
We'll be here till 3 o'clock today.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, well, we want you guys to come on out. I'm gonna sit right here in the truck for a minute because I'm in. If I'm in there, I can promise you this thing. I'll be talking to everybody and their sister. All right. Can y'all see me a little bit better?
We can
Yes, we
see
can.
you and
We
we
can see
can
you
hear you.
fine.
All right, good. Listen, I need Picayune to come on out. Picayune, you're out there. We have vendors. We have vendors from all over the coast that has come down, took out the time to come and to bring you free things, free information, free gifts. They have free giveaways. Mr. CCHY himself was the first winner of those prizes. And I tell you, they're giving out some good stuff. Free cars, free baby car seats. So if you know someone that child is in need of car seats, we have free car seats that they're giving away out here. Brand new, still wrapped in the, and but they're going to teach you how to put your child correctly in car seats. Whatever you need, they got. I think it's a dental smile. What is
Yes,
it, Miss Elizabeth?
It's South Mississippi Smiles. It's here with dental for both children and adults. And that is great because they talk about dental health and especially gum disease that we're suffering with a lot of our adults, especially African American adults, are suffering with right now is gum disease. So we're talking about that as well. We also have going on in here today, we have Miss Triana Taylor. She's here to talk about a lot of issues that we have with our young people with mental health. And so we have that. So we need everyone in Picayune to come on down and enjoy. We'll be here till 3 o'clock. And we want everyone to come out and let's just show what Picayune's all made of.
Absolutely, and then come and enjoy all of this free information that they're sharing. One of the ladies who just got through, what was the presenter, the last presenter that they had? She was talking about how her mom had just been having just little tinkling feelings
Miss Callie
throughout,
Marshall.
and was tired, just little minor. Oh, I'm just a little tired, and come to find out that she had a whole heart disease that she had to have the open heart surgery. So that's the kind of information that they're giving out here today, information that can help save a life. That's what we're doing today. We're trying to help save a life with just simple information that they're offering out here today we're at the Mary Helen Richardson Center right here at 780 South Beech Street. So please come out. We're at the Mary Helen Richardson Center right here at 780 South Beach and Picayune, Mississippi. So if you may be in Carrier, you may be in Poplarville and say, shoot, I want to drive down. Come on, drive down from Carrier, drive down from McNeil. Drive down from Poplarville, wherever you want to, but we'll be here till 3 o'clock. The information is here. They're still giving out door prizes. There's plenty door prizes for everybody. So come grab your ticket. You have to be present to win those door prizes. But the information is there. We still have some demos that we got. Two more health presenters that's going to be here. One of them is usually your little guest, Mr. Wilson.
Mm-hmm.
He's going to be here doing some demos today, along with Miss Davelyn Duncan with iFitness. So we're looking forward to Mr. Troy. He taught us a game to stand up. When Troy say stand up, we stand up. When he say sit down, we sit down. And he came with some beautiful information about mentally getting yourself prepared for exercising. And if you know Mr. Troy Foster, when you see him, he is walking all over Picayune, Mississippi. He walks from the north, south, east, and the west. So and he has a lot of education to back him. So you guys come on out and support us. Now I'm gonna turn you back to Miss Elizabeth. Y'all know I'm a preacher, so you know I do things a little different. I go to preaching.
It's all right. There's nothing wrong with a little preaching. But we're asking everyone to please come out. We have lots of vendors here. We have lots of good door prizes. And the information that we have is information after we did a community assessment here. And we learned of the different health disparities that's affecting the Picayune area, especially African Americans, is the reason I put this vendor group together to come in and
Absolutely.
address these health disparities in ways that we can make sure that we're going to make Mississippi healthier. That is our goal for the next 5 years, is to make Mississippi healthier than what we were and advancing it, especially with our young people and our elderly as well. So we're including everybody from babies all the way to elderly. We want everybody to come out
Okay, Mr.
and
Troy,
please
thank
come out
you.
and see us.
Mr. Roy. Okay, so thank you. Now listen, if you don't have a ride, you're saying I want to come, but I don't have a ride. You can contact Mr. Roy Ackers for a ride. Let me get that information. I know it's Mr. Roy. What's your phone number again? You can contact Mr. Roy at 601 569 6567. 6567. If you don't have a ride and you say, I want to come, please contact Mr. Roy Acker. He is making, that's it. That's the number. Call for a ride and he will make sure you get here. And he was actually one of the first ones to win the door prize. And Mr. Roy haven't been nowhere. He wants to stick around because the information has been very important. So, but do give him a call, and we will get you
Oh,
here.
okay.
No excuses.
There's no
Yes, we
excuse.
do. So stick around.
There's no excuse, and we need all of that information so that we can live healthier, and starting with the babies. Because I'm thinking when my kids were coming up, I wish I had somebody to install their car seats correctly. They were slipping and sliding all over the back seat.
And not only do we have the car seats, but we have our milk lead in the lactation community. We have them here. We have a certified lactation, international lactation consultant here. And the good part about it is, Selena, is the vendors, when I looked at my vendors and I knew this area is predominantly African American, and that is the group that the demographic that we're trying to reach, I made sure that my vendors reflected it as well. And it is a
Hmm.
wonder to have. And to be honest with you, I sing Evelyn's praises because Evelyn Jarvis is the only on the entire Mississippi Gulf Coast who is an African American woman, international lactation consultant. She's the only one.
Wow.
And she owns a company called Latched in Love, and she also works with our Milk League as well, who is sponsored by MSPHI, which is Mississippi Public Health Institute. So
Hmm.
we're asking
And guess
everyone.
where she's at? She's right here in Picayune, Mississippi. Look how
Okay,
good God is. That's
yes.
right. So Miss Elizabeth made sure she got her here in Picayune. So listen, we're trying to bring the best of the best right here in Picayune
Hmm.
in
Right.
Pearl River County.
Y'all are doing it. Y'all are doing it.
Thanks to
Y'all went
Shay.
past try. Y'all are doing it.
Yeah, thanks to Shay. I tell you, sharing they it's sharing health education, and
And
I can
awareness.
promise you awareness they are definitely sharing, and that's the great thing about it. This coalition is really doing their job, and they're bringing the resources and the information here in the Pearl River County.
Hmm. Hmm. And so y'all are providing the knowledge. Now we just have to execute. Once we get it, we got to implement it into our lives so that we can live long. We want to live a long, healthy life, not just sitting here
Yes.
gumming, don't have no teeth in our mouth, can't walk, can't talk. It's just like, no. And I love it. And you are starting from babies all the way to the elderly. And so you're not leaving anyone out. All are welcome.
All are welcome and everybody is welcome. And we just want them to come out and get this information, get these resources so they can take them back to their families. And anybody, any other individual, maybe their neighbor, the lady down the street or the man across from them, anybody who needs these resources, please come get it and spread the word because Shay is here to stay. We're not going anywhere. And I wanted to, like I told Miss Vinny, I wanted people to be able to put a face to Shay and a name to it. So they'll see me around a lot. You guys are going to see me over here a lot in Picayune. And matter of fact, I think in Hancock, Harrison, and Jackson might be a little jealous because I'm here spending a lot more time here here in Stone and George County than I have in those counties lately in the last couple months. But it's okay because the whole idea of it is making sure that I'm getting the resources in my counties to the individuals in these communities that need it.
That's
And
right.
the Picayune Culver Culture Center has partnered with Shay and with Miss Elizabeth to make sure that you get to know about these resources.
Yes.
I love it. I love it. Well, thank y'all so much for sharing. And make sure whenever you go back in, tell your vendors to share the information. Like we're working against Facebook's algorithm. So we got 2 hours left in the event. So we need y'all to slide them shoes on. If you need a ride, Mr. Roy will be on his way to come and scoop you up and bring you over. You must be present to win. So get yourself in the house so you can get this information because it is life-saving information that they're sharing and giving you a gift on top of it.
Yes. So thank you, Selena.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
All right. Y'all have a
All right,
blessed
son.
day.
You keep
You too.
shining, sunshine.
Sunshine.
All right.
All righty. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.